What's up, everyone? What's up? This is the Blue Wolf here. This is my first video. Welcome to my channel. So, I hope we have some big support today and every time. And I may have just kicked a water bottle across the bed. Okay, so this is the Blue Wolf. What I'm gonna mainly do is chicken. Well, what I'm gonna mainly do is make gaming videos. And yes, that is a boy, not a girl. And the link to where I got the skin will be in the description. So you can go and get your own custom skin. And the seed will also be in the description if you want this lovely seed. It has 3 villages in it. Too bad I'm not playing in the older version of this seed. And there's 2 blacksmiths. In the older version of this, the 2 blacksmiths had emeralds. So yeah. So, I hope you will smash that like button. And so, yeah.
No! You gotta get out of my room.
Sorry for the annoying thing that just popped up in the room. That's nothing to worry about. So, smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Well, what are you talking about? I have like 0 subscribers on this channel. Well, if you're watching this in the future, I may have a few. Or if you're watching this in the way in the future, then I might have a ton. Don't fall in the stupid well. The well of courage. Courage. Boing! Don't fall. Okay, good. Boom, 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 boom. So, I can do some maps if you want me to. If you want me to do some maps, comment down below. Okay, if you want me to do some maps, and you can even send me one of your maps, or tell me how to get one of your maps, I will probably play it, and I will mention, and I will give you a shout out. So this is my welcome, I guess. So, yeah. What you doing there, punk? My videos are gonna be short. Like, a little less than 5 minutes long, unless I'm doing an emergency video. Then, hold on. Then I can do other stuff. Then I can make my videos an hour long or more. Sorry, because I edit with a special tool with videos, I guess. And so, yeah. I hope you will enjoy my channel, and yeah, subscribe, comment down below. Oh yeah, if you want me to do some maps, type down below in the comments, /mapkiller, all together. And then I will smash some maps. I hope you enjoy.